clear. Double B modified optic, so.
And it's 3 litres.
Yeah.
3 litres or whatever you like. So, looks like we'll just give you one more call, guys. The diamond, the Neptune Big Super Gas, guys. You should be. And we would like the Prime Science Speed Elect Super Street guys. We'd like you in qualifying into the staging lanes as well, please. So, yes, not yet. That's 3 litres and it's impressive. Man, there's more coming on than there is on a highway race.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Oh, what a great little car.
Yeah. This is what the next generation are into.
And I have no problems with it whatsoever. You get horsepower any way you get, I don't mind. And some of the horsepower they get out of these little engines just blows me away.
Track, it just moved the earth underneath. Wow, incredible.
151 mile an hour, he goes